board examination. First of all, I would like to thank my parents. They stayed with me every time and they supported me even when there were ups and downs. And I would also like to thank my teachers. I would like to thank my teachers the most. They guided me, they helped me, and they stayed with me all the time. And I would also like to say one thing to the juniors again. Consistency is the key. If you stay consistent, everything's going to work out. There are times that you will feel that you are not able to do some particular things, but you don't have to give up. You have to stay focused and you have to believe in yourself that you will make it up. You will do it. And also, I would like to thank my principal ma'am and vice principal sir. They stayed with me and they supported me. And once again, I'd like to say one thing to the juniors is that if you try, you can do it. Thank you.
I am Rajnandini Saha and I scored 96.2 percentage in my class 12 board examination from the Reality Public School, Chandamari, Kokrajhar. First of all, I would like to thank all the hardworking teachers, my parents, my elder sister, Miss Trishna Saha, and myself for believing in me. And a special mention to my class teachers, Pitanjali ma'am, Ekta ma'am, Kalpana ma'am, Priyanka Vismatari ma'am, and Daimu sir. Because of their support and encouragement, I have been able to do this good in my class 12th examination. And for the upcoming board candidates, I would like to wish them all the best. And for achieving like 90% above, you must study regularly. Like you must do self-study regularly apart from the school hours. And because consistency is the key. So I would like to wish all of you all the best for next year. I got 96.2 percentage in my class 12 board examination, and I scored 100 out of 100 in psychology. Thank you.
I scored 94% in my 12 boards exam. I would like to thank my parents because they were very kind and patient with me. They helped me with every step in the journey, and I would also like to thank every one of my teachers. They were also very patient with me. And yeah, I've never met more knowledgeable teachers in my life. Special thanks to, I guess, Shamili ma'am and Kritanjali ma'am and Ekata ma'am. They were very good at their at teaching, and they were very nice. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And yeah, do stay consistent so you don't have to study one night before your exams and you will exhaust yourself out. So yeah, do stay consistent. Yeah, like everybody said. And thank you.
And I've scored 90.6%. I just want to thank you, my teachers, for supporting me throughout every time, and also my parents for guiding and supporting me. Without them, this could have not been possible, and also I'm very grateful that I've secured this much. Next, I've given CUET. Now I will be going for the further study, graduation and BA.
I'm Gana Brahma and I secured 97.6%. I'm extremely thankful for this school for supporting me throughout my entire journey. And one thing I would like to advise my juniors is to always remain consistent and work hard for their goals. For me, even if you fail, you must try harder again and again, because there is a saying which says that when you go like really extremely deep into the ocean, you should come out with a pearl. So that's really important for me, and I'll always make sure to work hard and my struggles. I'll also focus on personal growth, because life is always not kind to you. You might have ups and downs in your life, so never be disheartened and always work hard towards your goals. And whatever you do, you should make sure that it's perfect at the end, and all your struggles will be worth it one day. All you have to do is be consistent and put enough effort. And another thing is be confident and believe in yourself, love yourself, and always surround yourself with good people. Thank you. And never be afraid to give some time for yourself, because sometimes it happens that we may get overwhelmed. Okay, a student life is really difficult. You cannot always expect that your life would be perfect just because you scored above 95. Your life would be perfect, everything would be the best. No, it's not like that. We must always be ready to face whatever challenge comes for us. So thank you so much, and I'm really proud of myself, and I thank my parents for raising me to be such an amazing person. My friends, my loved ones, all of them are really special to me. I love all of them and I really love my school. My next step is I have been giving my CUET exams and after that I'll select an university I like. I'm thinking of pursuing English.
आंनि नामा शान बसुमतारी आङो क्लास 12 आर्ट्सनि स्टुडेन्ट आङो क्लास 12 नि बोर्ड एग्जामाव आङो 90% लाखिनानै पास जानो हादों आङो आंनि बिमा बिफाखौ आङो थेंक इउ होनो आंखौ सापर्ट खालामनायनि थाखाय आङो आरो आंनि टिचार्सफोरखौबो आङो ग्रेटफुल होयो बिसोरो आंखौ फोरोंबाय बिसोर आंखौ बुजिनानै आंखौ सापर्ट खालामबाय बिसोरनि अनगायै आङो दिनै मोजां पार्सेन्टेज लाखिनानै पास जानो हादों नेक्स्ट स्टेपआ दा आङो डिग्री फरायनानै आरो आवगायलाङो बे स्कुलनि इडुकेसना बिराद मोजां बिसोर टिचार्सफ्रा फोरोंनायाव बिराद मोजाङै फोरोङो बिसोरो बिसोरना इनफ्रास्ट्राक्चाराबो सिस्टेमफोराबो बिराद मोजां गोजोननाय मोनबाय आरो बरायनायनि मोजां पार्सेन्टेज लाखिनानै गोसोआ मोजां मोनबाय बिसिबां गथा फरायनायनि बेना जेबो माबा गैया आरो लिमिट गैया आरो बे दा जेसेबां हायो नों बिसिबां माने गोसोआ मोजां मोनोखि आं हागोन होननानै जेसेबांसो फरायो इयुथफोरनि थाखाय आं होयो गोसो होनानै फरायदो ओमफ्राय जेसेबां हायो एसेबां फरायदो हार्ड वर्क खालायदो डिसिप्लिनाव थानानै हार्ड वर्क खालायदो थेंक इउ